how to achieve this? By just clicking on the button, it changes the background color to black or white. Now let's look at the code. So this is the code. It's just a few lines of code, right? Here we have the document.body.style. So basically this line, it is accessing the style property of the body element, okay? And it's stored into this variable called body style. And now we can start using this body style. So the body style dot background color, if that equal to black color, then it will change to white. Otherwise, we will change that to black. So this is using if condition, okay? So as simple as that. And down here we have the button itself. So we use the onClick event, and we use the function here called hand.click, and this is just the name of the button, okay? So we can just click on this to change the color back and forth. And we want to achieve the same, but without using the if condition. You can simply use these. Okay, let's just have a look. So I'll just paste it here. We are using the ternary operator, and here we just need to paste it. This will be white. Otherwise, we will turn it back to black. And one thing is that you have to also change this to just equal, right? Make sure to also comment this line as well. So now let's have a look again, and we still achieve the same result, right? So it's very simple. You just need to access the style property of the body element and store it into a variable, and then we can use the dot background color. There's a lot more actually, so you can have a look here, right? So background color, background image, positions, and there are many more properties that you can use. So yep, that's pretty much for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video.